right, guys, welcome to another episode of Computer Applications. Today we're going to be doing something that hopefully you find a little bit fun. Just as a quick refresher, right, you're going to have to be using the header and the footer. So if you double click at the top, you can access that, or you can go into the Insert menu, right, Insert Header Footer. You're also going to have to change your page to landscape. So you're going to have to go File, Page Setup. You did that just in the last lesson, right? File, Page Setup, change it to landscape, and OK. Now what we're going to be doing, though, is we're going to be taking advantage of the drawing functionality inside Google Docs. So you're going to go Insert, Drawing, New. And it's going to pull up this, this page here, and you're going to be putting together a drawing for the project. With that being said, what you're going to be doing is looking over these shapes and callouts, as the case may be. Underneath the shapes, obviously you have a lot of the things you're familiar with, right? Rectangles, smiley faces, the sun, lightning bolts, right? So a lot of these things are things that we're going to be doing and utilizing throughout the course of this project. The explosions down here, right? You're going to be taking advantage of those as well. The thing I want to really show you, though, we covered this a little bit in the geography project. If you have two things you want to link together, you drag a box over them, right click, and you can group them together. So now they will come as one unit. You can drag them across the page wherever you feel like you need to. This also becomes handy because you can copy and paste them as well. So now you have a duplicate different shapes as the case may be going through there. So you're going to be taking advantage of a lot of those things in order to utilize the different functionalities that we have here. When everything is said and done, when you are getting close to the end, what you're also going to be doing is setting it up so that you have a background. And there's a couple of ways that you can do this. The one that is the most easy to get to is once you have your scene created, click Save and Close. Right, you'll notice that my beautiful little scene is there. Yours will be something slightly different. You're going to go File, again, back to that Page Setup menu, and you're going to change the page color to the blue color that they're looking for there, and then your scene will be complete. So really, that's all that we're doing today. We're just going to be doing a lot of stuff with Google Drawings. You're going to be rotating and drawing things out. One recommendation that I will make for you is, as you're doing this, when you're making these shapes, you have some options that you can use in order to order them and center them on the page, but they're going to request that you make some of the shapes a specific size. And what I would say you're probably going to want to do with that is, let's say we want to make a 1 inch by 1 inch rectangle. Technically that'd be a square. But as you draw it out, make sure that you use the ruler. Right? So now that is a 1 inch by 1 inch square that we can now drag around and make use of. So that'll be something to pay attention to and work with as you leverage some of these tools in order to make this spring scene that you're going to be doing in this project. That's really all there is to it. So a lot of this is going to be playing around with trying to get these things to match up. And with that, I'm going to turn you loose and let you take a look at it.